What's up with the VIP gang? We back with another video, man. Today we got Prof Butterfly Knife official audio, man. All y'all new to the channel. If y'all folks, your boys, make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 500 subscribers ASAP to be greatly appreciated. No cap, man. And let's see what he talking about.
I remember times when I ain't have shit. No food in my crib, now I live lavish. They say they love me to my face, but I can't stand it. That mo they fuck with me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you don't know. Baby, out the mud. Without you, I'm good. Did it for my little bro.
It's a fucking menace. Bro, so you think it's barbaric that I still cut banana pieces? But if you don't break them in enough.
But it's loyal to me. Try to take it away from me. Only use it on you. I heard you talking about the knife I carry with me. You think it's barbaric that I still cut things into pieces? Well, it's a fucking menace. But it's loyal to me. Try to take it away from me. I'ma use it on you. I got a dirty mouth.
Try to take it away from me, I'ma use it on you, nigga. Come on.
From a dirty place, you'll have to excuse me. Growing up, it was nothing nice. Pardon me if my attitude ain't as clean as you, but behaving the same is something that lemmings do. I'm offended that everyone's so easily offended. Suck my dick, fuck you, bitch. If I said it to your face, I'm in it. I said it, I'm in it. Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. Get out of my face.
Say, you don't like me, I don't like you. Ain't my fucking problem. Get out of my way.
Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. Devoted, loyal, violent, just
Hey, the ad-libs right there. Devoted, loyal. That shit hard. The little, the background, the ad-libs too hard.
get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking
Hold on.
problem. Devoted,
Loyal, violent, jealous, rabbit, honest. Yeah.
You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. I'll always be a wild animal. What did you expect? I'm a fucking rapper. Yeah. I wouldn't be here if I didn't cut the people who tried to murder me. Instead of celebrating that I'm still alive, you keep on talking about my knife. I got a dirty mouth, come from a dirty place.
Yeah.
You'll have to excuse me, growing up it was nothing nice. Pardon me if my attitude ain't as clean as you, but behaving the same is something that lemmings do. I'm offended
But behaving is the same as something that lyrics do.
that everyone's so easily offended. Suck my dick, fuck you, bitch. If I said it to your face, I'm in it.
You said suck my dick, fuck you. If I said it to your face, I meant it. Damn, Prof, that's how you coming? That how you coming, little Prof? Alright then.
Get it? I'm in it. Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. Devoted, loyal, violent, jealous, rabbit, honest. Get out of my face. You ain't like me. I ain't like you. Don't fucking problem. I'll always be a wild animal.
Yeah, this hoe was cool. This hoe was cool. I really just, I don't like how high pitched his fucking voice was. Honestly, I feel like he was trying too hard to sing. If he would have, if his voice was a little different tone, this hoe would have been hella hard. But really, just the tone of his voice fucked me up on this hoe. So I give it about a 7 out of 10, honestly. But that was still cool though. It's really just the way his voice sounded. Nothing bad with the words and nothing. The words hard on God, no cap. But shit, All y'all new to the channel, if y'all followed your boy, then make sure y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 500 subscribers. ASAP to be greatly appreciated, no cap, man. And let's get up out this hole.